like student name and age. And for key value is port is the key and value is 8080. Please note that we need to maintain space between the key and value. That means after the colon, you need to provide at least one space. Otherwise, it doesn't parse properly. It automatically detects. YAML automatically detects the types. So you have to be careful while providing the types like active, student active, group, student count 10, and version. It is the wrong way of thinking. Version 01. So we either should use tabs or inconsistent spacing. So it is example for inconsistent spacing. Student name age. So IntelliJ is smart enough to detect the errors, right? So it is inconsistent spacing. So you need to be careful about that. So best practice is to keep at least two indentations. So for strings, we need to keep the quotes when necessary, message, like message, hello world, and path, API, v1, students, password, some secure password. So you need to keep the quotes as and when needed. So lists also should be properly indented, like lists also should be properly indented, like students, maybe like that. So it shouldn't be like this. It shouldn't be like this. Let me keep comment here. It shouldn't be like this. Students shouldn't be like this. So I'm deleting that with the appropriate way of keeping the lists. So also nested structures must align properly. So let's see that student will have a name. Also student will have, sorry, will be keeping here. Let me comment that student will have a name and also a student will have an address. Name, let us say from Namu. So as I said, nested structures must align properly. So an address will have city, again address will have pin code, also address will have city, street. First let me write street here. Street, Johnson Street. Cities, some P and pin code 53427. So always you should always avoid duplicate keys like this. Student name, again name, is the wrong thing. Should always avoid duplicate keys. We can also comments. We can also use comments inside the YAML. Let us see how to do that. You can simply use this symbol and write the comment student configuration. Also we can use the comment here is our student name. You can also use multi-line strings or description. Let us suppose writing a description for a student. Address gone. Now let us write some description for the student. Description. So as I said, we can use multi-line string for description. So how we should do that? Apply pipe symbol. Then this is a student. He is in grade 10, like that. So we can also use fold lines. Let me just demonstrate how to do that. This time, let me comment this first. Student name and description. We have seen the multi-line string for description, right? Now let's see the fold lines. Use this for fold lines. So for Boolean values, you had better use true or false like this. Student active true. Enabled, student enabled, course enabled, on, like this. Student active true, enabled false. Now let us see how we keep the environment variables inside the YAML file. Server. Okay, I have already used the server, right? Let me time me comment this. Server port So these are all about thumb rules we need to be aware of while writing YAML file. Thank you very much.